Hello YouTube. Now welcome back. We need to see on how we can rename and move files in GitHub, and this is my working folder now. And in this working folder I'm gonna create some few files of which I'm going to use, or else I can use the files I have here so that I can rename them and check on how I can also move them to another folder. That is, now let's go. We're gonna open our git bash, the one I have here, and now let's go. First of all, we need to check on the git status. So git status, we need to check. You see there is nothing to go to check, and now I need to go back. I rename my inside my folder. I want to rename it, or else I rename some files here so that I can check if I've renamed them, and I'll show you also on how you can rename them using the git bash. So let's go. Like this one, I can rename it maybe from home dot so home, maybe my name is Jose, so jose.txt. I hit enter. Now I need to check whether I've renamed my file, so I go to the git, and then I type git status, and if you can see now I'm being told here that home has been deleted, and this is what we have here. So we will rename it. So we need to check also on how we can move the file and check all those stuffs. Now let's go. First of all, now you see here I'm being told that untrack the file jose.txt. Since we've modified it already, now we need to add it to be monitored by the git. So we go git add, what is the file, the file name of file jose.txt. now you see, done. Now if we check the git status, new file jose.txt. now you see if we've renamed it. If you check in our folder, we don't have such a file called home.txt. we renamed it. Now what we need to do, we need also to rename it back to home.txt. so what I do, I go check this. So git, we use this mv what is the name of file? jose.txt space home.txt. enter. We're done. You are not shown here whether it has been done now, but if you go to the folder and check it back, you see we don't have jose.txt, but instead we renamed it to home.txt. now you check git git status. What? There is nothing to do. We didn't commit our file. Now we need to commit also the file home.txt. so git commit message, that is renamed renamed jose.txt to home.txt. if we hit enter, we are done. After we're done, now this is what we do. We check on the status, git status. We click enter, we don't have anything here. Now in this, after doing this, now we need to check also, we need to move this file from, we need to move the file home.txt into this folder here, live.txt. what can we do using git? Now let's go. So it's git mv, it is home dot txt. Yeah, and then the folder is love. Inside that love we can decide to rename the file. What are we going to call it? Maybe back again to chose.txt. Let's go. Done. We are not sure what it did, but now we can go back here to check on our folder what we did. Now you see here we don't have a file called home.txt. Now we move deeper. You see we renamed the file here called chose.txt. Don't mind about this. I did it when I was practicing, but chose.txt has been inserted here. Now we need to check on the git status. We check. Oh, awesome. Now here we're being told renamed home.txt to love stroke chose.txt, and that is how we can rename files in Git and moving files from one folder to another. Yeah, now, or else if we need also to go back with we check again back from this file, this chose.txt back to our main working directory. This is what we do. So git move love stroke chose.txt. now check out on this. I need also to name this file maybe mine dot txt. Check out. I'm not told what it has done, but let's go to the folder. Checking the folder, going back, you see mine is here. It's awesome, huh? Thank you a lot, git, and that is it. We're done. Thank you.